Do you want to start earning money with AI but don't know where to begin? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how you can use free AI tools to build income streams, and I'll also share some smart business ideas that anyone can start, even if you have no technical skills. AI isn't just for big tech companies anymore. Right now, thousands of people are using AI to write, design, edit, and even run businesses from their laptop without spending a single dollar on expensive software. And you can too. First, let's talk about content creation. In today's digital world, creating high-quality content is more important than ever, whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or just someone looking to share your ideas online. But it can also be time-consuming and overwhelming, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or platforms. That's where AI comes in to make things much easier and more efficient. Tools like ChatGPT are revolutionizing the way we write. With just a few prompts, you can generate blog posts, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, and even full-length ebooks in a fraction of the time it used to take. These AI tools help you brainstorm ideas, structure your writing, and polish your language, so you can focus on your message instead of getting stuck on the details. Imagine offering writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. With the help of AI, you can take on more clients, complete projects faster, and deliver high-quality work that stands out. This means you can grow your freelance business, build a strong reputation, and increase your income, all while working more efficiently than ever before. For graphics and social media content, free tools like Canva with built-in AI features or Leonardo AI let you design eye-catching thumbnails, ads, and social media posts that look polished and professional, even if you don't have a background in design. These tools offer templates, smart suggestions, and automation to help you create visuals that grab attention and boost engagement. You can even combine these tools for a seamless workflow. Write an engaging article with ChatGPT, design a custom thumbnail with Canva AI, and then publish your finished piece on platforms like Medium or your own blog. This integrated approach saves you time and helps you maintain a consistent professional online presence. And the best part? You can monetize your content in multiple ways, through ads, affiliate marketing, or by offering your freelance services. With AI-powered tools, content creation becomes not just easier, but also a real opportunity to earn and grow in the digital economy. Second, video and voice. Free tools like CapCut AI or Kling AI can help you make short videos that go viral on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Want to create a podcast or audiobook? Use 11 Labs free tier or Play.ht free plan to generate natural-sounding AI voiceovers. With this, you can launch a faceless YouTube channel, create explainer videos, or even sell voiceover services. Third, let's look at business automation. Tools like Zapier Free Plan or Make.com let you connect apps and automate boring tasks. For example, you can create a system that automatically collects leads from Google Sheets, sends them a personalized email written by ChatGPT, and follows up. Small businesses are ready to pay for this because it saves them time. You don't need to be a coder, you just need to learn how to use these free AI tools smartly. If you're looking to boost your income or explore new opportunities, here are 6 AI-powered side hustles you can start right away, even if you have no prior experience. These ideas are perfect for anyone wanting to leverage the latest technology to earn extra cash from home or on the go. First, freelance writing and copywriting. With tools like ChatGPT, you can quickly draft articles, blog posts, or marketing copy. Use AI to generate ideas and structure, then add your personal touch to make the content shine. Many businesses and websites are looking for fresh content, so there's plenty of demand. Next, try launching a YouTube Shorts channel. Free AI video tools can help you create engaging, bite-sized videos every day. You don't need fancy equipment, just creativity and consistency. Monetize your channel as you grow your audience. Social media management is another great option. Offer to manage Instagram or Facebook pages for small businesses. Use AI to generate posts, schedule content, and analyze engagement, saving your clients time while helping them grow their online presence. Resume and cover letter service is in high demand. Many job seekers are willing to pay for well-crafted resumes and cover letters that stand out. Use AI to draft and refine documents, then personalize them for each client. With ChatGPT and similar tools, you can create professional documents in just minutes, making this a fast and efficient side hustle. Finally, consider print on demand. Use AI image generators to design unique t-shirts, mugs, or stickers, and sell them on platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. You don't need to handle inventory, just focus on creative designs and let the platform do the rest. With AI, starting a side hustle has never been easier. So, here's the big picture. AI isn't here to take your place. It's here to help you unlock your full potential. Think of it as a powerful partner that can boost your creativity, productivity, and efficiency in ways you might not have imagined before. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or just someone curious about new technology, AI can open doors to opportunities you never thought possible. It's not about replacing your skills, but about enhancing them and making your work easier and more impactful. From designing eye-catching graphics to writing engaging content, creating professional quality videos, or automating repetitive tasks, AI tools are here to support you every step of the way. You don't need to be an expert to get started. Begin with free tools available online, experiment with different features, and gradually scale up as you gain confidence and learn more about what AI can do for you. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up to let us know you're ready to take the next step. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips, tutorials, and fresh ideas on how to use AI to make money and grow your skills. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share which AI tool you're most excited to try first, or tell us about your own experiences with AI so far. Remember, there's never been a better time to start than right now. The world of AI is evolving at lightning speed, and new opportunities are popping up every day. Those who take action and start learning today will be the ones leading the way tomorrow. So get started, stay curious, and let AI empower your journey.